right now, I'm finna push it out. It's all clean, you can put it in the water. It's everything coming back off a quarter. I straight drop everything off my wrist. I straight drop everything in my power. I'm being real about this shit. So many trucks behind me. 4x4's the first one to go do that shit. I went and got my brick and busted right down the middle. Compressed half of it and sold half of it clean for real. 30,000 off a motherfucking brick. 100,000 off my motherfucking microwave. They playing with the wrong young nigga, I'm telling you, man.